Farmers are facing major inconveniences as there are no annual rainfall till date, leading to failure of plantation in the agricultural fields. Chief Minister Nongthong Bamiren and some BJP ministers who went to Delhi to meet central leaders to bring an end to the leadership tussle reaches Imphal. Editors Guild Manipur organizes editors meeting on media has a major role in preserving and keeping the Nambul River clean. And Desam demands to replace head examiner and coordinator of BOSM and re-evaluate all the answer scripts of HSLC examination 2019. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, farmers are facing major inconveniences as there are no annual rainfall till date, leading to failure of plantation in the agricultural fields. A report in this regard from Impact News reporter R.C. Mangangcha and video journalist Irom Mocha.
Out of the total geographical area of the state, 7.41% of land is used for cultivation. Among this, 52% land is confined to the valley for agricultural purposes. The people of the state are facing various inconveniences in lack of abundant food production. On top of this, various agricultural lands are being utilized for other secondary purposes. Farmers of the state are facing difficulties due to irregular and less rainfall accompanied by inadequate irrigation.
Kumsat ki oina sa ne na khalaga hulibani hunbaji adu sorna kari tamidamo nongji sukta taratana kumsi gi adum to khadaro bura adi khang
mayam laibak ki oina akoi basida noi hunjanare adu nongsingji taratrapni na ngasai gi khodi hundabati yadabni na laibak ki rangji da dum yaure adu ngasi phawbata bagi sarkar gi site gi zu injil lamata singsingnana ba birapasu laite.
The people of the state are aware of the water scarcity affecting the agriculture and cultivation process. Farmers of the state are now a dejected lot thinking about how to sow seeds and begin agricultural activity with the ongoing water crisis. According to the Meitei calendar, farmers start planting and sowing crops in the monsoon season, which falls in June, July. But with the cessation of the month and least rainfall, the farmers of the state are in dismal.
Hauni hauroiga khamjanate aduna mayam akoi basi loina hunaramnina khoi ai si ful haudraga di hayeng phak tar doba aduduna haubuni khangde hauroi khangde adum hunba tare dharam haiba phawdune ko akoi yamba makhakna ahing amakak tingaga hunba matam da mai si loi haweba hawba matam si ai su magi matau tamaga ai su ahing amat tingaga om da pita hunba hai tare
sorna thawjan biredi se hujibauti tari tadar ka sunga si mangan tarani swai ta hek subira agadi soidmaki sagne ne mayam si adu mai asadane hunnari.
Meanwhile, farmers in the valley are practicing cultivation of crops with dry farming. However, they remain concerned if the seeds will produce crops. Speaking to Impact News, expert of Agriculture Department mooted that there will not be much benefit of dry farming.
Leibak marakta kogi phau pambina horagaga mapung maripaba habaje simadi khra wana thoni maraksta nong tabira gadi phajana dum hobang amgani habjai thajajabani ising leitriba condition ji dadi akogi pambi jina mapung mare phaglaga hengwa yel phajana pibududi khra wana thokena.
However, there is no initiative from the relevant departments or authority to provide water for irrigation to the farmers till date. It is questionable as to where are the water pumps worth many lakh rupees brought by the Agriculture Department for supplying water in times of water crisis in the past few years. There is a chance that crops will grow if water is being properly supplied to the agriculture fields by the said water pumps.
Hajik lady Velobuxi in Turinga, Mitter Cham, Mutani Lamnanisi, Adana, Sakagi, Ninsi, Changiraga, Turian, the Ising and Water Lavina, तुरेंदगी इसिंगी चिंबीरगदी खरा थाजनबीरगदी मरुओइना हौगद्राइना खल्ले
हंतक सहीगिसु ओइरिबा फिबमसिदा सुमाना सुम ओरपतारगदी लौमी ओइना लेरिबा सिंग अखोइसिंगजे लौसिंगा योनथोक्तना खोटोक्तना कइनो कारबारगुम कइगुम ममदा थिरपु याबगी फिबम अमसु लाओइ हाइनिंगाइसु लेइते
On the other hand, the authorities concerned remaining numb in such situation of drought in agricultural lands is not a good step at all. On the other hand, the authorities concerned remaining numb in such situation of drought in agricultural lands is not a good step at all. It is still a big question if relevant department and authorities' promises or words for welfare activities of farmers will be able to pacify the worries of farmers. It might have been of greater use during time of less rainfall if canals were properly constructed. It is high time for the authorities concerned to look into the matter and take necessary actions. If the situation worsens, there might be war for food in the near future.
Sungai matamsidi isingda lau semdana khotana lau phara matamni kumchi kumsi tawsidi ising ikang thoktana ikhongida phina tonga lau subanena sure akoi kamai taraga hingdo no kamai taraga mi oidoi no kari charaga hingdori no habada akoi awaba ma oire
सरकार पमनु पिबिद्रबिना अखोइना इसाना पमनु गाइजरको खोइ सिंजरे सिंगे लौसे फगद्राइना खोइ होनजरी हुजी खाति फररा फरदे खंगदे हौदी हौरे
irrigation facility fazana provide toba ngamba jaga oitarga situation asi overcome tawduna pau thabada kanaba khade dum phangani habjai thajaja
India ki atei mafam singda lairiba lawpham singa yenglarubada khujil mamai muktang chawba Manipur gi lawpham sing asida mari leinaba department singna matam chana ithaile khong piduna yengsan biram lagadi hojik lamdam sigi longmui singna law uba yadabagi awaba mayong nariba si mayong ramdaba yai maram aduna hairiba law uba yadana leiriba lawpham sing asida kari karamba thorang paikhallaga longmui singna law uba yagadage habagi tangai phadaba miyeng ama sangbagi mathok tari Camera person Irom Mosaga Lonara Pogdam Jariba RC Mangangsa Impact News Changangai Lokon.
Women vendors of Thoubal Market and Wangjing Lamding Market in Thoubal district along with women residents of the area today staged a protest demonstration against a price hike of food grains at the two markets. The protester demanded the authorities concerned to reduce the increasing food grain prices in the state at the earliest. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren and some BJP ministers who went to Delhi to meet central leaders to bring an end to the leadership tussle among BJP leaders has reached Imphal this afternoon. Upon reaching Imphal International Airport, Chief Minister N. Biren was seen with a cheerful face and even waved from his car to the media persons. Speaking to media upon reaching Imphal, Agriculture Minister V. Ankalian stated that the central leaders held meeting with every single ministers privately and took opinions. He was hopeful for an optimistic outcome at the earliest.
Madhu central leadership ki makhada le within the party family matter oibanina ekhoi gi mot lojaba gi wani madu decision lobase makhoi gi khutale amama monai ya ki mot lore mot pire madu na lore mathang thabade makha thabade makhoi gi khutale kara tuna loigani da was within the party ni le sidi jamna problem hoina khan ya sa to zare tuna loisin gani
Editors Guild Manipur organized editors meeting on the media has a major role in preserving and keeping the Nambul River clean at Sangai Continental Hotel, Thangal Market today. Speaking in the event, Deputy Director of Department of Environment T. Brajakumar urged the need to install trash barrels and construct infrastructures on the sites as reservoirs. Desam demanded to replace head examiner and coordinator of BOSM and re-evaluate all the answer scripts of SSLC examination 2019. Speaking to media at the SAM office located at Sagolban Moirang Lerak today, BOSUM Secretary General Sheetal Oinam stated that the frequent errors in the HSLC examination conducted by BOSUM, he added it has become suspicious if there is a group behind such misdeeds. Sheetal further urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter at the earliest and further demanded to produce an inquiry report of the committee which was formed to inquire the errors of the SSLC examination 2018. He added a student who passed in the first division making up to the position list after re-evaluation leads the public to a great misbelief.
Karamna rank chen bayaba rank chen bayana nakna leba mahirusing kamaina rank chen bada yorom dribano kamaina suklana suksawa soibasi leram libano haiba kushalama thorok libasina takpadi board manungda well organized oiraba timamana thawengi atamnana asigumba thawdok asi thonganabaidamakta sillabra haibagi singnaba yamna songna desamda lei aduna board asigi leiribasing asi makoktagi horaga aikoi streamline toba dakar oyena desamna logje desamna mahiroi amadi Manipur miyam ka loinana akoi lokhatpa yaba thabak lokhatuna board asibu kananabaidamakta honagani.
Secretary of Manipur People's Democratic Front, Sapam Samungao, urged the authorities concerned to allow the street vendors to carry out their business activities at Paungna and Thangal markets until and unless a befitted place is provided for them. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, Samungao asserted that if street vendors are not allowed to carry out their business activities in the two markets mentioned, the authority concerned should construct a market for the street vendors. Maintaining that no actions are taken up against those who park vehicles at improper spots around the market, he condemned the incidents of scattering the goods of street vendors and further urged the authorities concerned to look into the matter. Samungao also termed it unfortunate that the relevant department failed to construct an appropriate market according to the population of the state.
Lambigi nakan da phamiba ima indol se sel singna yonjari ba haira adagi injang napi yoliba se ayu nungtin numidang khaktana sog de phaman gadabani kaima madu phamaloi haiba taragana moi phamnana ba mafam saba mafam mama Manipur sarkar na singadabani mising hengalapani na market ko leiba yonba lakpa se masi hengat kane aduna maram oiradana anowa pharma kaithelama ekoi mafam saba ma yengaga koi sabatai.
Secretary General of JC Amtak and Amgio L. Biken asserted that the state employees are all set to take mass casual leave on July 1st and 2nd, condemning against the state's cabinet's resolution to implement 7th Pay Commission as per order dated July 28, 2018, issued by the then Principal Secretary Finance. Speaking to media in a press meet held at JC's office in Babupara today, Biken asserted that the state government has failed to fulfill any of their 22 points charter of demand till date. He lamented the state government for failing to inform the JC to implement the order despite the several talks with the JC for 5 consecutive rounds to review the order of July 28. He urged the state employees for their support against the order. He maintained that the association takes concern of the misleading news stated by Manipur Secretariat Services Association of Manipur Government Services Federation and Manipur State Pensioners Union upon the JC Amtak and Amgio as published in some local daily papers today.
Employee section khudimagna mana magi tobum thokpa duty ni khallaga akhoi praja miyam amasung akhoina satra sangstan khudimagna akhoina changjan jaibu khungjing se matam koina akhoi employee section akhoi bu hoji paleba government na thawai wawi da na namthabi bagi mawongda thambirak pasina maram oirga akhoi tangai phadana akhoina akhoi gi phangmam thokpa demand phangnaba honabada tangai padana isha gi government na service rung ni matung pibi bodo adagi akhoi gi chuti do akhoi nimini ni khak akhoi gi kai thok charaga hai khongjang ji akhoi puna changjan min na jai ba wafam do akhoi media gi mateng lok charaga laibak miam amasung praja miam amasung employee section khudimakta jesop m2m jona haijeri.
All Manipur Midday Meal Workers Union held its third conference at Conference Hall of Johnstone Higher Secondary School today. Midday meal workers from various parts of the state attended the event. Speaking in the event, Union General Secretary Hidang Mayum Tikendra stated that midday meal workers in the state are working for only 1,000 rupees per month and the workers continue to work for the welfare of students. However, in other states of the nation, midday meal workers are paid 2,500 to 7,500 rupees per month. He further questioned on why workers of the state are paid less as compared to workers of other states. The Union General Secretary further urged the relevant department to take initiatives not to allow the higher authorities to treat indifferently to the workers.
Manipur the midday workers union sing asi workers khudimak sing si tham da sumna kadagi lupa lising amakadam magi remuneration pbc yamande ate topa is sarkar singla central share puthoi haraga lupa lising ani sangwa dagina tere sangwa tarami bu phuna ba yaukre ada khoi sini yamna awaba wedra mayukna lei kariumbada hengataba thok taradi union sigi apum lising me khasida is the government gi mathakta amasung indian state government mathakta akan khogyak sanction jagani kok singasi akoina yam handabani haina khanbire haraga vote election aka khudingi lathokpa am hapsinba kuisara sito bisingase masi tobidraba khoi hajagani.
Indigenous tree saplings and medicinal plant saplings were planted on roadsides of Kaibi Kulen, Manaching in Kundrakmam constituency today, led by local MLA cum former Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar ahead of Van Mahotsav, which is held in first week of July. Speaking to media, MLA T.H. Lokeshwar urged people to take care of the trees as their own and also declared cash award of 10,000 rupees if the trees are preserved for 5 years. He further declared cash award of 20,000 rupees after 5 years if the whole villages come together and preserve the trees. Sawungbung Forest Ranger Konsam Raghu, village authorities of Kaibi Kulen, members of local club and Maira Paibis attended the event organized by Sawungbung Range Forest Officer under the aegis of Central Forest Division. It may be mentioned that tree saplings plantation at roadsides of Kaibi Kulen Manaching started since July 2nd, 2007.
Masina pada sebat atau bodoh, aina cahaya mangata lupa lising terakhir ini award. Pini lah thok je masih apung ban hingan biu, amda citra ba kunji ona lupa cahaya mangata lupa lising kundi kita aina, mada cina ba tar dek kundi tanah pijak ya, dan ai cuma award sih thok jadi. Soalnya nasi pamjam maksimal leh, lobi bermatam dah, asal hingan apa lobi u, hana apa lobi nah, saya masih terus tham jaga, hari nasi kau ini car tham jadi pambi jengse, indigenous plan ngata ni, kau maite ini kau Manipur tamil khunda mina bisi, culture ke mail na upambi ngata ni, ban masuk lu di bakti, ngarang tu thai nahan everyday thara kau se yam sange thara je, total pambi lising ani kertang helam bayar yang kali whole aku beda.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Coordinating Committee on Disturbance-Free Zone Education releasing posters with slogans to make education free zone. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Coordinating Committee on Disturbance-Free Education Zone released posters with slogans with an aim to make education free zone at Manipur Press Club today. It may be mentioned that the Coordinating Committee on Disturbance-Free Education Zone is a conglomerate of various students' organizations, namely MGKLWA, CASA CASA, AMSGO, AMCTA, AMESTA, AMGAGTA, CESM, AMSSTA, AMRPSWA, ATSAM, AIMS and DESAM. Speaking in the event, DESAM President cum Committee Convener Salam Akash reminded that students' union and civil society organizations have been striving for a free education zone in the state since 2008. He added the committee was reaffirmed today. The committee convener also asserted that poster campaign will be carried out across the state and leaflet will also be distributed. He further urged people of the state to take part in Disturbance Free Education Zone Demand Day, which will be held at TRI Chingmeirom on July 5th.
Manipur tongan government amadi private ki mahilosang singda nongmata kandana thokliba yakai tingaiba nauriba mahiroi singna like tamjari mafam singa sida yama sauba aikogi tungi yumbirel oiriba singsida psychotherapy piriba masi mayam asi tobiganu haibana singba kholau singa si lauba loina government ki school singdasu government na karigumba right to education act ki makhada piriba budong chaw mayam asi mapung phana yawandragadi masisu mahiroi singda piba disturbance makhalamani haibagi wakhalona tuda karigumba hiram amatagi yekai tingaiba mapung phana phangadoba makogi right sing privilege sing phangandaba loina psychotherapy piba tongan state amadi non state actors singi thong sing asi tobiganu masi leptriu makaidi manipur gi human resource mapung phana sakotpa ngamoi manipur gi human capital sakotpa ngamoi haibagi wakhalona tu changjinjara campaign ni.
Manipur Minorities and OBC Economic Development Society (MOBITS) kicked off a 6-month-long free remedial coaching at Kaibol High School in Sagolban today. The event is held as a part of Chief Minister's Laidik Yengminashi Program 2018-19. Speaking in the event, Director of Welfare of OBC and Minorities Affairs, N.G. Vogendra, MCAs, stated that there are various departments apart from Education Department striving to provide education facilities and welfare of the students. He asserted that the remedial coaching program will bring huge benefit to the students. Member Secretary of MOBITS, N.G. Uttam, attended the event.
Through different departments ko satri welfare ya khaliya akoi ki department ani maksida bitam ki department da ai department da koi satri scholarship do sahi ko ki koi scholarship ka ta wi see forum si long jara ka koi ki MOBC ki website ka chambi satri ki scholarship ki kari ki online aura si ki kodong chap do piu.
Guru Ibempishak Cultural Academy held its 4th Foundation Day at Sri Sri Radhesham Mandap, Uripok Yambemblaikai today. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar handed over the Lifetime Award to renowned Pung Oja Lairilakpam, Yaima and music teacher Krishnam Kriti. Speaking in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar lauded the initiatives of preserving the rich culture and heritage of the state for the posterior generations. Maintaining that culture is the way of life, he stated that culture and religion should not be treated equally. Speaking further, he asserted that Hinduism is not a religion and it is the lifestyle of the people of the country. The Deputy Chief Minister further added that he will urge the relevant Union Ministry to help in upgrading the various cultural organizations of the state. Floral tributes were offered to the poetry of late founder of Cultural Academy, Guru Ibempishak, as a mark of respect during the event.
Many a time culture siga religion ga synonymous oiba adu yamna mari leina bege mawongda adu main tongda unai agi miyengda di culture ga religion ga anisi khane haina khal culture sisu amuk yang utagadi tasingba culture si kadai de khangedege haitagadi it's not, you will not see it in the western country de labor kamuda uba phangoi religious group ta Christian amadi Muslim gi group ta su culture hai bisi ki mami tab se yam chawna phangoi culture si ki mami tab phajan mun khang ugadawdi Hinduism aina leba different form of Hinduism sina sandokhrab mafam sing particularly oriental weba civilization singda admai ton uba phangani.
A book entitled Dialectical Materialism Give Philosophy Part 2, written by Jugol Saina, was released today at Manipur Public Library. Secretariat member of CPI Sadat Salam, President of Manipur Library Association K. Chauba and Kokching Kuno College Statistic Department's teacher Birain attended the event. Keshamthong Elangwam Laikai Apunba Nupi Meira Marup organized one-day mental health awareness program at Keshamthong Elangwam Laikai today. The program was held under the sponsorship of National Health Mission Manipur's National Mental Health Program. Speaking in the event, Health Minister L. Jayant Kumar expressed the need for suicide control. He further urged people to come together to maintain one's mental health and to reduce the suicide rate, as humans' lives are very precious. Doctors and mental health experts of Psychiatric Department of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences also attended the event.
Suicide na hay mokil pose karino hay bajagedi social thinker samaj ki wakan khan bangamba aphawgo like mission hay bada suicide is nothing but a cry for help mateng pangbiu hadla kappadune hay adu suicide tawder mi sida akwen kani mateng pangadage karam kan angang je nupam cha je nupim cha je mauna je suicide tawr kadage je khangbai je moine machinna di haidok tawi ai but moi gi lai makil ki abnormal behavior moi langat tol me do madil hong to propaganda. There comes the importance of every guardian, every parent, every uncle.
Mami Thawan Foundation, in association with Morning Star Association, jointly organized a free medical camp today. The medical camp was held at Children's Model Academy, Thanga Kunjem Laikai, in regard to International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. More than 300 individuals were checked up by GENIMS and RIMS doctors in the fields of general medicine, gynecology, dental, eye, ENT, orthodontics, pediatric and many more. Free medicines were also provided during the camp. Later, a friendly football match was also played between Morning Star Association and Mami Thawan. Kanchipur Kha Naurem Laikai Chapkhat Khongthang Nupi Lup Thongju Partu Khongnang Khong Meira Paibi Lup and people of the area today carried out a protest demonstration condemning planting of bomb at the gate of Manipur Technical University VC El Tombi at Kanchipur Kha Naurem Laikai around 7 p.m. on June 8. Speaking to media at the sit-in held at MU First Gate, Kanchipur Kha Naurem Laikai, Secretary of Kanchipur Kha Naurem Laikai Chapkhat Khongthang Nupilup, G. Bimola strongly condemned the incident and further urged to clarify without further delay.
Technical University ki Vice Oiriba Oja Lema Popam Tombi ki Thonganda Bom Mama Masakhang da Mioi Singna Apamba Kharagi Damak Miam Tinba Mirakta Bom Thambasi Taubiga Nu Haiduna Ngasi Ekoi Lekai Gimera Paibi Mai Bel Singna Asi Phamjaban.
Apunba Naharol Yaifa Thausil Kanglo felicitated students of Thangmeiban Worth number 3 who successfully passed in the recent held class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSIM, COSIM and CBSE. The felicitation program was held at Thangmeiban Thingel Leone Community Hall today. 16 position holder of class 10 examination conducted by BOSIM, Lamjingba Yumnam, student of St. Joseph School, Sangai Paro, and Geeta Elangbam, who secured 60 ranked for the state in the recent held NEET examination, were awarded special prize during the event. Basikong Jila Parishad, Basikong Gram Panchayat and CRCL Club Ningom Thongjau jointly held a cleanliness drive and planted various tree saplings in areas under CRCL Club today. An awareness program about rainwater harvesting was also held as a part of the event. Speaking on the sidelines, member of Basikong Jila Parishad, Jerome Romeo, asserted that the event was held as a part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's initiative for rainwater harvesting and water conservation. He affirmed to hold such activities in the near future.
ngasi pangthoi ba thoram sida yawi basi usa thaba khongwani ram konglan ting thokpa do khoi local worker body sing je teng thoga khoi ri nong chu tha laiba matam sida khoi nong sing je khoi phajana kamaina yoksalaga khoi na kama sin ba yaga de haiba sing asi juni aduga khoi usa sing jo khoi yaga de khoi yum da su khoi piraga khoi global warming laiba si khar makai mateng pangba yana na ba hanana ba haitare adugi kano khoi pandam su yagjari haiba wai kha si tham.
Manipur updates Grove in collaboration with Unlimited Walking Club under Mission Green Manipur today planted various indigenous tree saplings at Kumalam Park. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Farmers are facing major inconveniences as there are no annual rainfall till late, leading to failure of plantation in the agricultural fields. Chief Minister Nongthomba Biren and some BJP ministers who went to Delhi to meet central leaders to bring an end to the leadership tussle reaches Imphal. Editors Guild Manipur organizes editors meeting on media has a major role in preserving and keeping the Nambul River clean. And Desam demands to replace head examiner and coordinator of BOSIM and re-evaluate all the answer scripts of SSLC examination 2019.